Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Time now for Charlene Patton coming down from Topeka. Thank you so much for joining us. Always a pleasure to have you on the show, and you always bring us incredibly delicious and good for you meals. And these meals are special because it's heart healthy.
They're heart healthy. The first two recipes that we did earlier in the month were winning recipes from the Kansas State Fair. This recipe I'm doing today is actually a salad recipe because I was thinking, okay, May, we like to think of eating lighter, and so we have some spring salads that we're going to do here. This one is a rice salad, and so it serves several people, and yet it again is so colorful, Chris.
It really is.
This is 3 cups of cooked rice that I did. Then you want to chill it, and then you're going to add again all these beautiful colors. This is our black soybeans, and rinse those from the can, and then we'll add those to it. And again, if you can't find the black soybeans in the store, be sure to ask for it because they are healthier than a regular black bean that you'll see in the grocery store. Okay, you can add that.
All right.
Great. And then our other soybean product is our edamame. We'll add that in there. Already we're getting lots of color there, aren't we? And then we have red kidney beans that we're going to add in just for another color there. Yeah, adds another color. And then, okay, speaking of color, let's add some yellow corn to that. How will that be?
This is looking so far.
Oh, this is just a great, healthy recipe. And then we have red bell pepper there.
Okay.
We'll add that. Sweet bell pepper. Oh, I love that color. And then we have green onion there that I've chopped.
Oh, I like green onions.
And then the last ingredient there is cilantro. And that is going to add just a wonderful flavor to this as well that I've chopped up. How does that look? I'll show that.
Look at how colorful
yeah,
that is.
I'm seeing we're getting a good shot of that. Yeah, okay, and now we've got the dressing. I made that ahead of time for us. Put it into a container that you can shake or mix easily, but make sure it's closed.
Right. You don't want to have this open. You want to make sure that that is closed.
That's right. It has vegetable oil, rice vinegar in it. It has chili powder, a little bit of sugar, and cumin and garlic that we've mixed together. Okay. And then a little bit of salt. And then you pour that, and then just pour that on there.
I do like this container too. Boy, it makes something like this really easy.
And it's one that you could make the dressing ahead of time. Now this particular salad recipe, I like to make ahead of time because then all those flavors will marinate, put it in the refrigerator, and it's ready to serve. But oh boy, look how pretty that looks.
Extremely colorful. And that's the thing I've loved about these recipes this month is they've been very colorful, very spring-like. They make it feel nice outside, even if it's not so nice outside.
That's right. That's right.
All right, and then of course the finished product over there just looks amazing.
And you can see how the rice is kind of absorbed the dressing. It's kind of got a red color here where it hasn't, but that's because it's kind of, we let it refrigerate a little bit ahead of time. They should go to our website, kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all the recipes for May.
All right, and of course all this information at KOAMNewsNow.com. We'll be back with more right after this.